Hello little artists. Welcome back to mini study class. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. At first, we took a black marker. We draw a straight line. Then, we draw a semicircle on the top of the page. Again we draw two straight lines. Next, we draw some small curve. We draw it very carefully. Now, it's time to coloring. Blue color. Green color. Yellow color. Red color. Our drawing is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.